Ducati is making another big splash in the superbike world with the launch of the Panigale V4R 2025, the latest homologation bike born from the DNA of MotoGP and World Superbike. This bike features new aerodynamics, an updated engine, a racing gearbox, and smarter electronics to ensure maximum performance on the track. The Panigale V4R 2025 adopts corner side pods directly from the 2021 MotoGP bike, making it the first production motorcycle to use them. The new wings on the fairing provide 25% more downforce, equivalent to an additional 6 kg of weight on the front wheel at 300 km per hour. Although peak power remains at 215 horsepower, Ducati has made numerous internal changes: lighter pistons, a crankshaft with greater inertia, repositioned injectors, a new camshaft, and stronger connecting rods. Torque increases by +7% at 6,000 rpm. The red line reaches 16,500 rpm. With a racing exhaust and special Ducati course oil, power can surge to 239 horsepower. Features a MotoGP-style layout, neutral under first gear for faster shifting, and the Ducati neutral lock system to prevent accidental neutral engagement. A new final gear also boosts top speed to 330 km per hour with the racing exhaust. Equipped with the Ducati Vehicle Observer (DVO) algorithm to manage cornering, ABS, engine braking, and race brake control, enabling deeper braking like a MotoGP bike. Features a new front frame with 40% reduced lateral flexibility, the latest symmetrical hollow swing arm, and Öhlins NPX 2530 and TTX 36 suspension with broader settings. It is equipped with the latest Brembo Hyper calipers with 330mm discs and standard Pirelli Diablo Supercorsa SPV4 tires. This motorcycle is also already homologated for WSBK slicks without additional modifications. Available options include the Ducati Data Logger (DDL) for telemetry analysis, carbon wheels, -950G, race fairings, a dedicated slick ECU, and premium brake upgrades. The Panigale V4R 2025 will arrive at European dealerships in November 2025, followed by the US and other markets in December. The price for the UK is set at £38,995.